Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial series of Sandbus. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Calendar in Sandbus to set up your meeting. So, without doing any further, let's get started. So once you have logged into your Sandbus account, you have to go to your calendar, then you have to select create meeting. Once you do that, you have to fill the details for your meeting. So right now, I'm giving a name to my meeting, which is product review. And after that, it will ask you for a meeting event type. Is it a one-on-one or a group? If it is one-on-one, then you have to select one-on-one. If it is group, then you have to select group. So if you are selecting a group, then it will ask to add maximum invitees per event. So if you are choosing 50, so the first 50 people who are just going to click on that link will get admission in the meeting. Other than that, no one can able to access that link. So right now, I'm going with one-on-one. After that, you have to give a description to your meeting. After that, you have to select a duration for your meeting. Then you have to select a meeting time. After that, you can select your calendar. If you are integrated Google Calendar or iCloud or Microsoft Outlook Calendar, so you can directly fetch the details from here. And once you complete all the details, if you need to keep your meeting secret, then you have to check this box. So what happens? So if you're keeping your meeting secret, then you can directly share your link to the recipient without showing into your CRM. If you're unchecked this box, then it will appear in your CRM as a meeting. So after selecting all the details, after filling all the details, go to next and save and next. Then after, you have to select when your invitees can schedule your meeting. So indefinitely into the future, or there is an option for your campaign. So like if you have a campaign which is running for like only 10 days, so you can keep this as a 10 days that into the future, like someone can able to join your meeting. So that's how you can schedule your invitees. And after that, it gives you the option. So like to provide your availability. So this is the default schedule, or else if you want to set your customized hours, so you can select from here. You can also select your time zone, and then you can also add your schedule and your availability for the days. So right now I'm selecting this default schedule and as a specific date, like what is called as a specific date. So if there is a holiday and you are still working for your product, or if you are still working, so you can add a specific date over here that you can give a clarity about your schedule, that you can also able to schedule on those days. So that's why it gives you the option to give a specific date. So like on vacation, if you are going on a vacation and you are not available to some days, so you can select your unavailability here, and that's how you can share your unavailability with the meeting. So it will show you the scheduling notice, buffer time, start time increment. Over here, you can manage your scheduling notice. So like when you need to schedule your notice to your prospect, then you give a buffer time in between your meeting. If you're having a 30 minutes of meeting, then if you need 15 minutes of buffering time where you can able to restart your other meetings, so it will give you that advantage. Then it will give you the start time increment. If you're setting your meeting 30 minutes, and then if you increase your time over here, so it will increase your time according to that. If you're setting a meeting at 2:30 to 3 o'clock, then it will give you a buffer time. Then it will show the slot according to that, the start time increment. So one slot is booked for 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So next slot will be showing around like after 50 minutes of buffer. So next slot will be showing around 3:45 to 4:15. So that's how you can start time increment. Then select on next. After that, if you need any questions to keep it into your invite questions, so you can type over here. You can also add a new question, save it next. And that's how you can save your calendar meeting. And that's it. You have successfully created a meeting by using Sandbus. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy emailing with Sandbus.